Hey everybody, I am putting together a website to make life easier for me and just kind of put all our information in one spot. So my suggestion, before I kind of go over the whole thing, I'm going to bookmark this page. So it says bookmark this page, and I've titled it AES Go To page. I'm going to click done, and now it's in my bookmarks. If you want to move it a little bit closer to your eyes, what you can do is I'm going to drag it up into my bookmark page, so it is right there. So anyway, and easily accessible, and then I can just grab it when I need to. So we've got our schedule, our team meeting notes. I want to go through that first because, where'd you go? Meeting notes. So for example, if we meet for a kindergartner, kind of my thinking is, instead of saying, okay, where are our notes, where'd they go, put the student name with the date. We're going to put the area of concern, and then we'll sort of start with that end in mind. So we're going to put the ideal state of where we want that student to be, how we plan to get there. So we'll just, there's one for each grade. Hopefully we don't have to start looking around for dates and when did we talk about it and everything like that. We've got our, like I said, we've got our master schedule. These are all linked to our Google Docs. See, this is sort of our special education cheat sheet. We've got at-risk student sort of cheat sheet, which we're going to work on. We've got the students listed in there partially. We're going to do something a little different this year with our data collection tools district-wide, so that the tools will all be the same. Thankfully, Amanda is already, the district's going to use our sort of template that Ms. Rosenberg and Mrs. Ryman put together. So this is that data over time, and Mrs. Ryman and I will fill in all this information, so don't worry about it. And then also a sort of a data breakdown. CCE's been using this very successfully. Again, sort of breakdown of every student and their FAST, iReady, etc. Again, don't worry, Mrs. Ryman and I will be in charge of inputting that data information, and those are the things that we'll be looking at on our Wednesdays, and there'll be more to come on that. There's a more button here. We've got our staff meeting agenda, we've got our PBIS information, and behavior modification. Again, this I see kind of growing. We've got our office referral form, which again is paper, and I prefer to keep it that way unless our PBIS team comes up with something different. A hug sheet, again, that's sort of a check in, check out, that's part of PBIS. And then I put in some things that we've sort of been kicking around. Social thinking, vocabulary, logical consequences cheat sheet. Again, these are things that we will work on as a staff. I just want to get you familiar. This is our staff, 2018-2019 staff. Anyway, I'm really hoping, I've got this bookmarked right there. I'm hoping to be able to just go to that instead of searching my notes. We can add pages, certainly. If you've got some suggestions, please let me know. I hope you're all having a great summer. I'm really excited about school starting, and I'm going to publish this. I'll also be doing this with our first staff meeting. I have to. You can go in and look at it if you want to, but I'm going to be moving it around, and then I'll go through that staff meeting in a Screencast-O-Matic, kind of take care of some of that management stuff, and then you can come with questions, and then we can get to the meat of it. So anyway, have a great day. Talk to you later.